Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your iPhone App Store is just not downloading any applications. Now, this happens every once in a while. I don't know why. Basically, you'll go ahead and make your way over to your specific iPhone settings and you'll go ahead and download an app, but for some reason it doesn't download. Either it'll start downloading and then it'll stop, or it'll download and then download a little bit and then it'll stop and then click get and it'll go back to like get or the cloud download icon. Now, the main reason why this may be happening is that sometimes it's just a random glitch. There's some software glitches that happen, and all you have to do is just click get again or click download again, and that may actually end up fixing it for you. In my opinion, I don't know why that happens every single time, but it's like every like 5 or 10 downloads I have to do, it just will randomly happen, and I have to continuously click get maybe like 2 times or 3 times, and then it'll start downloading. So in this case, it may download, or it may not download all fully. So if I click install, it'll probably start installing, but sometimes it doesn't work. So in this case, it will probably end up working, but that's pretty much the main thing that happens. Now, for some reason, the app is actually going through and it's downloading, but then it just stops or it just gets stuck downloading or whatever. The reason why that may be happening is because you may not have any network connection. So you may not have Wi-Fi connection or anything like that. So what you want to do is you want to look at the top, right and left corners. Do you have signal here? Does it say, AT&T or whatever here? If it does, then you may not have too many issues. But what I would recommend doing is making your way over back into settings. You want to go into your network connections or your cell connections, and you just want to make sure that you're actually connected to a solid network connection. If you are connected to a weak internet connection, your download may actually never happen. And that happens every once in a while. You can see the Disney Plus app actually downloaded. So if you're connected to a good network connection, then you will probably end up being good and there may not be too many issues. But like I mentioned, there can be some problems. So the best thing to do here is just to make sure you're connected to a good network connection, and then that will probably end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is to actually restart your phone. If that still doesn't work, you can make your way back into settings. You can scroll down into general, which is right here, and you want to go and click on software update, which is right here, and you just want to download the most recent version of software that's available. So you can see there's a software update available for me. So what I'd recommend doing is clicking the download and install button down here and making sure you're on a very more, recent version of software. If you're very, very outdated, like if you're on like iOS 13 right now, then there's probably going to be some issues. So just make sure that you're on one of the more recent versions of software and you should be good to go for the most part. So that's pretty much how to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.